If you want to have a clear understanding of the moisture condition of a concrete slab, Tramex recommends the complete concrete moisture test system, also known as the 5-point test. The first step is to record the ambient conditions, including temperature, relative humidity, and dew point. The second step is to record the surface temperature of the concrete slab using an infrared thermometer. Now we want to make sure that the surface temperature is at least 10 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius above the ambient dew point. The third step is to take a percentage moisture content reading with the concrete moisture encounter. Now we want to take 8 readings in the first 1,000 square feet and 5 readings in each additional 1,000 square feet. The fourth step is to take an in situ percentage moisture content reading using the concrete moisture probe. The concrete moisture probe will be inserted into the hole that you'll drill for the in situ RH test. When the meter is placed on the cradle, it now sends a signal from the base up to the top, giving a percentage moisture content reading in situ. Because the concrete moisture probe is not affected by the heat of drilling, like an in situ RH probe, you're able to immediately take readings after drilling your hole. The fifth and final step is the in situ RH test. Now to do this, you'll insert a sleeve into the hole that was drilled and cap that sleeve, and then wait 24 hours to return and insert your probe to take a reading. The reason for the 24-hour wait time before inserting the probe in the hole is because the heat of drilling attracts vapor. So by inserting the hole immediately after drilling, you will generally get a high reading, which can cause the probe to stick and not come back down. When applied, these 5 steps will give a good indication of the overall moisture condition of a concrete slab. Because conditions can change, it's always recommended that you repeat the first 3 steps of this test at the time of installation or application, and this will help to protect against failures.